Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome to Easy English with MJ. I am Teacher Mary J. Let's learn English the easy and fun way. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, be sure to check it out after this video. Today, we are going to learn even more objects in colors to help build your English vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's go! This is color red. Apple, tomato, ladybug. Orange, pumpkin, basketball. Yellow, cheese, lemon, banana. Green, broccoli, leaf, pear. Blue, blueberries, sapphire, bluebird. Purple, plum, purple cabbage, eggplant. Pink, rose, pig, flamingo. Brown, chocolate, squirrel, acorn. White, swan, milk, dove. Black, raven, panther, coal. I'd love to know your favorite color, so tell me in the comments below. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep shining. I am Teacher Mary Jane, and this is Easy English with MJ. See you in the next lesson. Bye.